Hey guys, I don't know about you, but my hair is naturally curly, and in Singapore's weather, it's always frizzy and unruly and just so hard to manage. And I wanted to go for anti-frizz treatments, but the last time I went for one, I had pin straight hair. I don't know, it just felt so wrong. I love my curls, but I always wished it would be tamer and more manageable. When Cheryl mentioned that there was an advanced sugar hair lamination that they offer, I immediately had to go try it. And this is my hair now, guys. Look at it. It is so manageable. It is 40% less frizzy, and it's not pin straight. And my curls are still there, and it still has the movement and fluidity. Can you imagine? My hair is gorgeous. Woo!